This video picks back up from the homework corrections January 28th video, and this is just to add animation of color. So right now, I've already used for my fill function, I've used the 3 parameters way of addressing color. You can do the same thing. You can, if you have used the # with alphanumeric code, you can just delete that. But here I'm just going to be subbing in a value for the red number, the red value right here. I'm going to be putting in a variable. So if I'm making a variable for the color red, how much red is in that fill, I'm going to call it R because that will help me remember what I'm using it for. I'm going to give it an initial value. This starts out all red. I'm going to make this red decrease in amount, so eventually the ellipses are going to become black. So I'll start it at 255. I need to remember to actually use that R value here for the red value, otherwise nothing's going to happen. And here I can say R equals R minus 1, and that will subtract from the redness of these values. Actually, I'm going to say 3. I'm going to make it happen a little bit faster. So now, if I play, they go from red to black pretty quickly, because as soon as this is cycled through enough times that if I'm subtracting 3 from 255 at a rate of 60 times a second, that means that I'm subtracting 90 from the initial value of 255 every second. So pretty quickly there's no red left in this. Maybe at that same time I want to be increasing, though, let's say the blue amount. So I can make a new variable. Don't forget to declare it first. If I just were to initialize it and play, you're going to get an error, can't find anything named B, because you haven't said what B is. B is an integer variable. I'll sub in B for the blue parameter, and maybe I'll increase that a little more slowly. So now this effect is the red value should disappear quickly and the blue value should increase slowly. So they should meet. It should be kind of purplish in the middle, dark purple. And then it should get increasingly more blue as the program continues on. And there you go. And so that is using integer variables to change the color of objects.